a restaurant business and I want to send this new personalized WhatsApp message with a special offer to all my customers whose data I have in this Google Sheet. But now here sending manual WhatsApp messages takes a lot of time, and creating a WhatsApp group will not make my message personalized, and it also looks unprofessional. That's where I got an amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique using which I can send the same WhatsApp message with personalized names to each and every customer in just one click. Yes, you heard it right. I have set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, then click on this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. Here I can assure you that you are going to get the maximum discount using this coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. Alright, and for your reference, I have also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video, so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here on the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that we are going to access this broadcast feature, but before that let me tell you that I have created a message template using which I am going to send this automated WhatsApp message. So here I've created this template inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want, you can create your own template, or else if you want to send a regular kind of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now firstly let me take you towards template section. Under templates you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates, and here let me show you the template that I already have. So this is my message template. Here you can see the text that I've drafted, and also my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the WhatsApp message. If you want to learn about this template creation process in detail, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Now once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section. Under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on the add broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Firstly select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. Give the name as per your requirement. I'm going to give the name as new discount offer. Then it is asking us to select the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. And as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send this message to all these contacts whose data I have in this Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And for that, let me access this contact section. Under contacts in the left side, you can have a preview of an existing contact list, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, add details over here, and to add in bulk, select add bulk contacts. Here you need to upload a CSV file for the same, but as you know that I have data in a Google Sheets format, so I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this add contact button, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. account. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. Here you can select multiple lists as well. I have selected single only. Then comes the refine audience. So using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. So firstly, you can exclude the contact list. Second, you can exclude the specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. And also you can exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Then comes the message type. You can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So here if you wish to send the regular message, then select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So I'm going to select my template over here. So this is my template, and here I've used a variable in the place of name because variables makes a text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So basically I've used a variable in the place of name because I wanted to make this particular message personalized. So now here to make this field permanently dynamic, we are going to access contact custom fields from the settings section. Now under this contact custom fields, you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. So here you can create more contact custom fields as per your variable. I'm going to use the field name for this name only. So I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to add it over here. Click on this done button and you can see the message template has been selected over here. Then it is asking me to test my broadcast message. So before sending this broadcast message to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number and test it. For that, I'm going to add my username and my number over here. Then we are going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see a new message has been received over here with my personalized name and the same template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Now here it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no. And to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time, because if you have selected a past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast button and you can see your broadcast has been scheduled over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have a data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend your broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send unlimited bulk WhatsApp messages. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link, and if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.